Hey, what's up everyone, this is Adhika Padari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video we're gonna learn dictionary comprehension using if-else statement. Okay, so here we have to make a dictionary in which the numbers are ranging from 1 to 10, which are the keys, and the values are whether they are odd or whether they are even. Okay, so 1 is odd, okay, and then 2 is even, like this. Okay, so our dictionary should be like this. So if I do it using simple method, right? So we just have to write for I in range 1 to 11, okay, and then we have to use if statement. If I mod 2 is equals to, it should be I here, 0, then D and I is equals to even, else D I is equals to odd, right? So as you can see this, the code. Now if I print my dictionary, see 1 odd, 2 even, 3 odd, 4 even, 5 odd, 6 even, 7 odd, 8 even, 9 odd and 10 even, right? So it's working properly. So hope you are able to understand that what this code is doing, right? Now let's see, let's do this using list dictionary comprehension. Okay, so here D1 is equals to this, and then we'll make the key. So key is I, and then we will put brackets, okay, and here we will write even, and when it should be even, here we have to put the colon as well, okay. So and when it should be even, when I mod 2 is equals to 0, right? Or else it should be odd, right? And then we will use for loop. So for I in range 1 to 11, right? And let's print D1. So if I run my program, see it's working the same way, right? 1 or 2 even, 3 or 4 even, and so on. Okay, so here what you have to do is, first you have to make the key and then put a colon, and then in values you have to give the if else statement. So it will be even if I mod 2 is equal to 0. I when divided by 2 leaves the remainder 0. Then only it will be even. Or else the value will be odd. Okay. If the remainder is 0, then the value of this I will be even, or else it will be odd. Okay. And what is this I? It will be the number ranging between 1 to 10. Okay. So this was dictionary comprehension using if-else statement. Hope it is clear to you. So see you soon in my next video guys. Thank you so much.